We've taken a look around the neighborhood. Good news is everybody here who stayed is healthy, all in one piece. 10 digits, 10 toes, but plenty of tree limbs, debris, not really any flooding. We're too high, a little bit behind the houses and the creeks here, but the real disappointment was the trees over at Matt Petroff's house that led to some leaks as well. I got some video. Let me show you what we had today.
It's all damaged up there as well. All that framing stand here.
Down there.
So this whole thing will need to be that whole route all the way. That's major. You can see where the joist is because where the seam is where there's a joist. So move. You know what I mean? So you need to come away from it.
Over here?
Yeah. You must be there. You put in a couple. I just drill. See if you can drill. That's
I told him not to try it.
He does. I don't need to be driving them.
They're checking on you.
Put that in your phone.
Okay, there we go.
So you're gonna hold it like that, and the piece of the bird.
Yes.
You remember? This is a good tip. Then you're going to say that.
Yeah.
6 times.
Okay.
Ready, go.
Wing, 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 wing.
Hello?
Since IRL.
In real life,
We don't know.
This storm is coming. We need to
literally,
run.
there's a thing on Snapchat that's like Fortnite in real life right now.
Oh, I saw something.
All right, so Tim Scoutless reporting live. Hurricane Florence coverage 2018 here in Sac, Wilmington, North Carolina. Again, everybody is safe. We will catch up with you tomorrow, hopefully as the cleanup begins. Get our lives back together. Sac Network News, Tim Scoutless coverage. Hurricane Florence 2018.